How to position your smartphone at the event. So first things first, set your device on a tripod or light stand, like this. You won't have to worry about shaky video or your hands getting tired from holding the phone for prolonged periods of time. Look at the difference in these two clips. As you can see, the experience is much more endurable for viewers when you get a steady image. Next, find a spot in which you can place your tripod with the phone. For wedding ceremonies, a good position would be towards the end of the aisle if you can make sure the guests won't be blocking your recording device, or it won't be in the way of the attendees or vendors. If the venue is not too big, placing the phone at the end of the aisle is a great way to capture the couple, the bridal party, and the guests. Keep in mind you might have to check the audio volume since the phone is going to be pretty far from where people are going to be speaking. When you arrive early, you can test a couple of possible options for best angle and audio volume to decide which one will work best for this specific event. At some events, you would want to position your tripod closer to where people are going to be speaking, as you want to make sure that their words can be heard clearly. If there are speakers on location, the built-in microphone should pick up the audio from the sound system. It will really depend on location and each specific event if you will need an external microphone or the built-in will work just fine. When deciding where to place your recording device, think about the best place with great internet signal, good audio, and the composition of your video. How well the viewers will be able to see everything. Remember, internet is the most important aspect of the live stream, followed by audio and video.